Beautiful rolling 80 acres 2 miles north of the Cimarron Turnpike in Pawnee County. Easy access to Tulsa and Stillwater. Mostly open grassland, some mature trees. Per owner, pond usually has water, may go dry in extremely hot weather. There is no fence on the north boundary line. Good fence to west, south and east. Survey will determine the north boundary line to include the 80+ acres. Turkey, quail, large deer, and wildlife abound. Call today to stake or claim a beautiful slice of heaven. Buyer to satisfy themselves with available utilities.